Then we throw the root away.
So, did you have any insect repellent?
Yep.
Uncle is going to make a natural one. See, Papa didn't put.
This one, the first leaf, Englishmen, they call it a Christmas bush tree. Yeah, and then, but their scientific name is a Osmia odorata. This leaf actually is good to make a medicine to stop blood bleeding. Also can make a blood painkiller, and the best to make a insect repellent. Now I will show you how to make a medicine or insect repellent. This one you no need to add any water because we just get the juice from the leaf.
See how Uncle make.
So all these small pieces are.
Yeah, but we just get the juice lah from the leaf.
Oh, the juice is yellow.
No, green also.
Green. A lot.
No, we just
Oh,
get the juice.
Like bleeding.
Quite a lot.
You can smell it.
It's quite dark.
yeah.
But
So you
here,
just
when
rub
we
it
go
around.
through in the jungle, you no need to worry about our insects because here we are very safe because we don't have any malaria case or dengue case. Because why? All our mosquito here is a healthy one. Fresh air.
Like
And this one is for
Okay, this one's their scientific name is a Miles stromatia. In Malay, we call it a daun senduduk. Yeah. Normally, if one of our family have a chicken pox, we just boil it.
Yeah.
So we just drink water. And then if you have a stomach ache, also you just boil this leaf and then we just drink water.
Okay.
But now I want to show you a magic. Like my grandma, grandpa, when they go to in the jungle, so when have a small river, when they take shower, that time very hard to get a soap or shampoo. So they use this kind of leaf to make a soap to clean their body. Okay, now I will show you how to make a soap. But this one you have to add some water. Huh?
You just
Put
cover it
water,
like this.
yeah, cover. See?
wow, it's really soapy.
If you need more foaming come out,
Wow.
add some water.
Oh, then you wash your body, clean again.
Okay, when you smell, they smell like a one kind of fruit. I think you also eat this kind of fruit.
What fruits is that?
Smell it, and then you will know. Guava leaf in Malaysia, Indian religion they're using for facial treatment, especially for the ladies. Before they go to sleep, they will take a young guava leaf. They will add with some turmeric, they blend together. They add some water, and then before they go to sleep, they will apply at their face for facial treatment.
You look nice.
Yeah, and then for Malay, when you go through in a Malay village, you can see the ladies, the face like a ghost.
Yeah.
That one they use a rice powder, the powder they make from rice.
Next time you go
Yeah,
next
I
time.
use garlic and butter.
Jungle snail, you see?
Jungle snail. We
So
move it
later-
away so that we won't step on it.
When we go through
Can
in
you
the
move it
jungle,
away?
try to observe on the ground because tree. Okay, this tree, they are not originally from Malaysia. They are originally from Brazil. That's why their scientific name is a Hevia brasilensis. Who the first man found this kind of trees is a Christopher Columbus. Okay, during year 1473, when Christopher Columbus tried to conquer around the world with their sailing boat, So they stopped in Brazil. They found this kind of trees, so they are bring back to Europe for research. The first tire they make from this kind of latex during year 1888. Mr. John Dunlop make the first tire from this kind of latex. Yeah, and then who bring this kind of trees to Malaysia is a British colony. First they bring 22 trees to Botanical Garden of Singapore, and then another 11 trees they bring to Kuala Kangsar, Perak. Now in Malaysia, many. Yeah, and then when you plant a new trees, when they are getting 6 to 7 years, you already can get a latex from the trees. When you send this kind of latex to the factory, they will use one type of acid. They call it acid citric to make it their melting, and then maybe you want to make a glove, shoes, or a tire. Now Uncle will show you how to get the latex from the trees, because you cannot use a normal knife. They have their own knife actually.
See.
Yeah. Huh? Not the normal. And then normally the rubber taper they will put a container under.
Yeah.
And then
There you
when
go,
you start cut, you see they start bleeding.
Mm-hmm.
Normally the rubber taper they will come here early morning before sun come up, so they can produce more latex.
Okay.
See? Dripping. See?
Yeah.
And then it will dry up.
Yeah.
Okay.
After one day they will come dry.
It's amazing, right? You know? Huh?
Rubber band. And some
So
other
if you
buttons,
come
some
like
big
last
band.
2
I
months
put
ago,
this in-
you use
I
this
put
trail.
them,
It's a very nice smell. Because why? Because all the trees that side, this side. Because that one is a wild jasmine tree.
Ah,
So
wow.
the flower when they burst is very nice smell.
Can I put
Usually
this on the
me,
floor?
is it?
Yeah.
Can I put this-
We try to get a green one. Because in Tioman we have 4 different species. This one you can see the head, they have like a horn, like a spiky needle under the hole.
So can you find any big red? Not so big. Is that a baby?
No, that one is a gliding lizard.
Gliding lizard?
Yeah. So from on top at the high spot, good to make a medicine for antiseptic and antibiotic. But this one is not very thick. They're quite soft also.
They get
Oh, I find very small.
very hot.
Yeah. You take from this side, it's more beautiful.
The very long tail, see?
Oh, here more bigger. This one is a cold-blood animal. The whole day they will stuck on the trees, you know, because why? They need a sun. Your mom wants to take photo.
Then we see with Uncle Musa. You also go. Later people come already. Uncle Musa call.
You see just now when you ask me the like a beans, yeah? This one the seed. See the seed.
Here you go. You know what's the name of this tree? Huh?
No.
Jungle handphone. Careful, don't hit on your head. Okay, don't hit on your head. Hold tight.
I made a new music. Another new friend come here.
Normally they will come up during the night time.
You see? So not leaves grown.
This is porcupines.
The Pokemon fight this way.
Yes, you go ready, set. Руки вверх. Падай.
Stand up.
Then I'm
Put your
gonna
hand there.
Покажи пальцем.
Put your finger.
Вот.
Yeah. Then you can see
Right.
how big it is.
Beautiful.
see. It's very sticky. Oh, it's getting fatter.
Smaller.
Smaller.
Later when they start walking, they become longer.
Now because you disturb it, it doesn't want to continue his walk. See?
Fat, fat.
Nobody will step on it, so don't worry.
But someone will eat it.
No. Oh, bird, yeah. You ask Uncle Musa what it.
The baby.
Just turn.
No, we go by there. Move. He's a big one.
Komodo, komodo.
This one is Uncle Musa friend.